Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I make my Mexican stuffed shells, then stay tuned. So these are going to be the ingredients that you'll be needing today. We're going to start off with the sofrito. Then we're going to add some minced garlic. So now I'm going to add my little mixture in there, and this consists of tajín, red pepper flakes, garlic salt, chili powder, adobo, and cumin. So I put half in there, mix it around, and then I add the other half in there. So now I'm just adding the other half. So now I'm going to put a quarter of the taco seasoning inside of the meat. And I'm going to mix it around again just to make sure it gets all the way in there. And again, you're just going to mix, mix, mix. As you can see, I'm adding olive oil to the pan, and I'm only adding a little bit. And then I'm going to spread it all around the pan. And now I'm adding the ground turkey, and I'm going to flatten it out that way that it's covered, the whole pan is covered with the ground turkey. And then you just let it simmer until it's all the way cooked through. As you can see, it's almost all the way done cooked. It's not pink anymore. So you want to mix it around to make sure that every piece of ground turkey is cooked. And once it's all the way brown, that's how you know that your ground turkey is all the way done. So now I'm going to add the sauce inside the pan that I cooked the ground turkey. I'm going to add a little bit of the taco seasoning, and I only use in this recipe half of the taco pack to season the meat and the sauce as well. So now I'm just stirring it up to make sure that the season's mixed in there. So now I'm going to start cooking my shells. I already put a pot of water to boil, and I did put salt in the water already. Only a little bit of salt, and now that the water's boiling, I'm adding my shells and I'm cooking them until they are soft. So now you can see that my shells are all the way cooked through. I'm just going to mix them around inside of the pasta sauce so they are coated evenly inside the pasta sauce. You can do it with a spoon or you can do it with your hands, whatever you prefer, honestly. So now I'm kind of opening the shell with a spoon, and I am going to start putting my ground turkey inside of the shell. And then I put a little bit of sauce in there just to make sure that it's not dry. And then I put it inside of the pan. And as you can see, I did put sauce on the pan already. And I lined it with aluminum foil so it's an easy cleanup. So as you can see here, the shells are stuffed. And they're looking delicious already. So now I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 and put the shells in. So before I put them in the oven, I am going to add some Mexican cheese. And you can put as much as you want, honestly. It's whatever you like. So now I'm going to add them in the oven and let them cook until the cheese is melted. and this is the outcome. I like to eat it with a little dollop of sour cream, and I like to garnish it with green scallions. Alright guys, that's all for this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe if you decide to recreate it. And if you do decide to recreate this recipe, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you try any of my tutorials, please tag me and let me know how you like them, okay? Bye!